girls, this is Jia Bhagwat and I welcome you back to my channel. So it's been a highly requested video, how I manage my periods when I'm traveling. So I thought ki, just make a video out of it and properly give you tips as in what products I use, how I take care of the stains, how I take care of the pain, and a lot of tips. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the number one thing is tracking your period and accordingly booking your dates. There are a lot of period tracking apps on the app store, so you can just go and download one. Next thing is pads. Now it is pretty obvious कि तुम लोग का periods है तो obviously you'll be carrying a pad. Tip here is carrying a pad which is longer and wider from the back. Or in case stain होता ही है तो what to do? I am someone who loves staying in hostels. So I prefer backpacker hostels and usually they are mixed dorms. A 4 or 5 day ka trip, so generally we don't carry detergent with us. If it's a longer trip, say 1 month ka hai, then we'll carry detergent. But if it's a shorter trip, then what to do? I have this amazing product. It's by Sirona. So Sirona is India's first award-winning brand. It's for female hygiene, it's for intimate hygiene, and it caters to all these problems, female hygiene problems that were never catered to before. This brand also is 100% vegan. They do not test their products on animals. All their products are chemical free, so it's a very good brand for female hygiene. So I have their antibacterial period stain remover. It does a great job, and the perfect thing or the best thing about it is it comes with a brush. It comes with a really sturdy छोटू size का brush which is just perfect for travels. And the best part is ये सिर्फ 80 ml का है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं है, बहुत छोटा भी नहीं है, तो it's like perfect to carry around. Next is pain. So first thing when we remember when we talk about periods is the pain. It is so deadly. The pain is so bad. I switched recently to these pain relief patches. So they are again by Sirona, and 5 patches come in one pack. You can apply that in the morning. You can go out. तुम लोग अपना sightseeing करो, वापस घर पे आओ. I mean hotel पे आओ, and the pad will stay intact. It stays for 8 to 12 hours, and it gives you a cooling effect. What happens is during periods the uterine muscles, so they tighten, and by using something that will provide coolness to that area is gonna narrow them down. तो वो narrow होने के बाद narrow the blood vessels, तो वो narrow होने के बाद you feel the relief. So that is what this product does, and again it's 100% herbal. It's good on the skin and it provides instant relief, no side effects. So all in all, it's a lovely product. Pain हो गया, dark के बारे में हो गया. What next? Next is especially if it's a summer vacation, if you're going on a summer trip और बहुत humid हो and the whole day you're only walking, you're visiting different heritage sites or shopping and doing whatnot, तो possibility है कि you'll develop rashes, especially if you're using pads that are not friendly on the skin, तो rashes develop होते हैं. So then what to do? You can use Sirona ka rash cream for rashes and soreness caused due to excessive sweat or rubbing in intimate areas. It's natural, so that's wonderful. It's herbal, that's wonderful, and it has Tasmanian pebble fruit, butterbur, and golden roots. So that's lovely. और कुछ कोई chemicals नहीं है. There are no toxins, no parabens, no sulfates. So amazing. You can buy the period stain remover, the pain relief patches, and the rash cream from their website. The link is mentioned here, so you can go and check it out and use coupon code Rutuja15 to avail 15% off on your order. So the next is how to dispose of your pads. So I highly recommend you guys to make a switch to biodegradable pads, especially if you are on a trek, a night trek, या तुम बहुत you're staying in this offbeat or a very remote location जहाँ पे waste disposal can be a problem. So what you can do is you can go for disposable pads, you can go for biodegradable pads instead, and or you can use tampons, you can use menstrual cups, you can use period underwear, you can use different alternatives. Take the pad ka wrapper and you can just wrap your pad around it. You can wrap your used pad around it and carry a newspaper with you. or you can just wrap the period wrapper along with the used pad in the newspaper. And what you can do is don't throw it off immediately, क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है वो जो newspaper होता है ना वो निकल जाता है. So what you can do is you can take one plastic bag, okay, only one, and you can collect all the pads that you will use throughout your trip. तो कैसा होगा कि you are using less plastic and you are also making sure that कि disposing अच्छा हो. Now coming to what to do when you are traveling and you have period. तो first thing is making sure कि वहाँ का washroom facility कैसा है. Then hydrate yourself, it's super important. Just hydrate yourself. You can carry a glove with you. मतलब कुछ ऐसा vomiting जैसा लगता हो, nauseous लगता हो, तो you can carry a glove. You can have candies, or you can have ice cream. Ice cream is a great pain reliever, I believe. When you're like actually sightseeing, you can carry a hoodie or you can carry a shawl. तो अगर डाग लगा भी so you can just sort of wrap something around your waist. Then of course carry an extra underwear. Then you can use for hygiene purposes, you can go for a intimate wash, you can go for a vaginal powder, wet wipes. So all of these things just ensure that you stay fresh, you stay dry, and you stay clean and hygienic when you're on periods and when you're traveling. And the last is wearing a panty liner. तो if you know कि शायद periods शुरू हो सकता है, तो to avoid stains you can use a panty liner, so that even if you sense spotting, तो the panty liner will catch it off, it will absorb. And yeah, this sums up all my tips for what to do when you are on your period and you're traveling. I'm sure that you too are interested to try the Sirona products out. They are 100% natural, 100% herbal. They don't have chemicals, so it's like a lovely brand and products are really good. I have tried those. So just go for them. The website is mentioned here, so go to the website, use coupon code Rutuja15 and avail 15% off on their products. I also mentioned the link in the description box, so you can go and check it out from there. So that's it, girls. I'm sure that you found this video helpful. If you did, then do like the video. Also, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, and just basically comment below and tell me what you do to tackle periods when you're traveling. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.